How to recover lost Snapchat streak? Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and open Snapchat on your phone. Tap on your profile on the top left corner, then tap on your settings on the top right corner. Now you want to scroll down and then you want to find section of support, and then here you want to tap on I lost my snap streaks. You just want to tap on it. So you want to choose any of these options which describe best your issues. So you just want to go ahead and tap on how do I restore my snap streak. Just go ahead and tap on it. So the thing is, if you recently lost your snap streak, you can restore it with one free snap streaks restore or an app purchase from a chat feed or your conversation. You can start a new snap streak with your friend by sending a snap back and forth to each other every day within 24 hours for 3 or more consecutive days. Note: snaps sent with memories or spectacles content to other Snapchatters do not count towards your snap streak. So the thing is, you cannot recover your snap streak free from Snapchat. You have to use other apps and websites. So that is all for today's video. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the end.